Howdy, and welcome back to Central Florida Birds. Before we get into the birds today, I wanted to share this footage of some ants cleaning up the leftovers from yesterday. Yesterday in the bird feeder, we had some cashews and some kiwis. You can see the kiwi rind in the upper right-hand corner of your screen there. Now these ants will have a word amongst themselves and go about their day, and I wish them well. Here I am cleaning up from yesterday. I'll go ahead and let the rabbits have it the rest of this. And I'll set it up at a nice angle so we can get some good footage today. I'm going to put in the usual mix. This is just bird seed, mostly millet, sunflower seed, corn, and peanuts. And here's our secret ingredient of the day. It's mango. We're gonna see how the birds enjoy some mango. And I'll go ahead and set that right there. Set it up so the birds can get at it. And top it off with a little bit more seed. And one final mango slice to bring them in. And sorry about this lighting change. This is my second video, so I'm still ironing out all the kinks here. Before birds found it, the flies were all over this mango immediately. Maybe that will bring in some insect-eating birds. Now this was kind of interesting. I was watching this live. I couldn't exactly capture all of it, but you can kind of tell the cardinal is pretty hesitant. It kind of came in and was really looking. I'm not sure if it thought the mango was maybe some other bird or it was just unfamiliar, but it really took some time to ease in to the mango today. But we do eventually get him figuring it out. And this is a he. This is a male cardinal. You can tell from the coloration. The males and females of the cardinals have very different coloration. The male being much more vibrant. And it looks like it is munching away, but it's only... I'm not exactly sure. Let's see this next one it picks up, and yep, that is definitely a sunflower seed. So it doesn't look like the cardinal is actually going for the mango at all. It's going just for the sunflower seeds, which kind of makes sense. The cardinals do like their sunflower seeds. It's hard to beat them with that. And again, my apologies. I don't have the audio figured out quite yet. Hopefully for the next video I'll have the audio and I can also play the sounds of these birds, but for now you're stuck with my voice. So I do apologize, and I will leave some music here. Look at that beautiful cardinal munching away, and I will rejoin you to identify the next bird. The music you'll be hearing and the music you've been hearing this whole video is actually just me playing. I'm a musician and I'm improvising a little bit on the piano right now. So I'll continue to do that, and I will join you when there is another bird to identify. Alright, here we have a catbird. You can tell from their little hat there. They wear a little cap. And they're called catbirds because they have a very distinct kind of squawk. And that was, I believe, yep, the catbird is going for the mango. Oh yeah, the catbird is enjoying this mango. Going right for the heart of it. Oh, some big chunks. Yeah, this catbird really does like this mango. There you go. So if you wanted to know how to bring catbirds into your yard, maybe try some mango. Seems to work here. Look at that, enjoying. Oh, very nice. I wonder how much this catbird will eat of this mango. That's a decent bellyful already. Still going at it. Really enjoys this mango. Oh, and looks like that's it. And this is a different catbird. You know, I should start naming these animals. If you have any suggestions for names, leave them in the comments. I can tell this is a different catbird, and yeah, it's not going for the mango. That's interesting. Maybe it was just that one single catbird that really enjoyed the mango. This one is going for, looks like maybe some corn. Oh, it is trying the mango. There we go. Yeah, this catbird also does like the mango. There you go. Two catbirds that both enjoy mango. This one might not be so sure about it. The other one really enjoyed it, though. This one did try it. Looks like it might be done. And, yeah, looking around. Maybe one more bite. Nope, taken off. Oh, yep, here we go. And here's our next clip. Oh, these are grackles. These are beautiful. I'm going right for a peanut. They do love their peanuts. Look at that. Yep, peanuts. Yep. So there's a pair of grackles. You'll often see them in pairs or larger groups. And the grackles are iridescent, so they're this beautiful blue-purple that you can see there. That changes depending on the angle that you're viewing it at. Beautiful iridescence. Look at that purple and blue, and I love it. And their eyes are also very pretty. I believe they're related to a starling, if you're familiar with that in other parts of the world. But I'm not exactly sure. If you are some kind of bird expert, or if you just know these things, feel free. Leave me some comments. I'd love to learn more about birds, and I'm sure the rest of the community would like to discuss and learn and see what's out there. I would enjoy that. And I'll leave these birds to eat. I'll leave some music on, and I'll be back to identify the next one. And we have the cardinal again, and this is a different male cardinal. And it did the same thing as the first one, where it kind of flew by and really was giving it a look. The sun's starting to come up now. A lovely image. And yeah, this cardinal as well is going straight for those sunflower seeds. It is hard to beat a sunflower seed to a cardinal. Cardinals really do enjoy the sunflower seeds. Yeah, just totally ignoring the mango, straight for the sunflower seeds. So if it's cardinals you're after, maybe not the mangoes, maybe sunflower seeds though. I have always had success with the sunflower seeds and the cardinals. Maybe they're used to it from me. I'm not 100% sure. I'll leave you with some music. And I want to say thank you to everyone that's still watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you have any suggestions on how to improve, I would love for you to comment and let me know. And if you know someone that would enjoy these bird videos, please share it with them. The best thing you can do for my channel is to share it with somebody else that's going to enjoy this type of content. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you next time in my backyard with Central Florida birds.